Hey! What up? Ask me a question about something.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, it's you!
I'm somebody against you, right? Because you're somebody that captures the now. You're somebody that captures the things that are important to now. F you, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Dude? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Are you still freaking out about people recording in public or what? Does it still piss you off?
Yes.
Why?
Because you're trying to get a rise out of people. You're trying to ask people stupid questions.
I didn't ask, you said ask you a question. I was walking that way and you walked up to me. Do you remember that? How was that trying to get a rise out of you?
No, you're trying to get a rise out of people just in public.
What makes you assume that?
Well, why do you bring a camera up to normal ass people? Like, what do you
First of all, I'm just walking around doing a vibe check, checking the vibe, man. It's people that don't know what I'm doing.
With this light.
Yeah.
With this light.
Yep.
You're vibe checking.
Because if I don't have this light.
No, because see, I can vibe check people just normally, like with my own
If
voice.
I don't have this light, it's a dark ass video.
See, would you think that he's a perpetrator with this light?
You want another video about you? Another one?
Yeah, let's do two.
Let's do two. All right, do it. Do whatever you gotta do, man.
What's up, camera? Do you have the police patrol? Like,
I have a scanner
oh, cool.
because that's my main focus out here is police.
Oh, you're
documentation.
gonna get crime.
Anything that the news gathers, man.
Oh, cool. Are you TMZ or?
Nah, I'm not affiliated with TMZ.
Oh, what do you do? What's your like channel or whatever?
I don't want to tell you my channel. You haven't seen your video?
No.
Oh, okay, for sure.
I don't think it was big enough.
Oh, got you. Okay,
Yeah.
for sure. Anything else or what?
I don't know. I thought you were supposed to interview me or something.
I didn't want to interview you. Walked up to me, dude. You have something to say?
Probably nothing other than that you're a bitch or something. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever.
I don't know. Maybe like run or do some push-ups or like maybe go on keto. I don't know. Keto's good.
Oh, is that right?
I don't know. It's good.
They're all
It's like
throwing the emoji.
fat-free.
This guy has his own emoji,
Carbs
man.
free. Oh,
Yeah.
do I really?
You have your own emoji.
Let me see.
No.
Can I actually see?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Well, like,
Pull your
I'm
phone
like,
out. Pull your phone out and Google something.
well, let me see.
No.
Can I just?
No.
I want to see. I want to
I
see.
don't care. Whatever.
Word. Does he have a mustache?
Anything else or what?
Does he have a mustache? The emoji.
Just gonna keep going?
I'm just asking a question. Does the emoji have a mustache?
Shut up, dude. Shut up.
I'm just asking.
I don't care.
Well, you're filming me saying you don't care.
Who's trying to get a rise out of who? Who?
Obliterated.
Oh, you got me! Oh, faded it off. I don't know. I just want to see the emoji.
Not too bad.
Okay.
You can go online and check it out.
I don't really give a shit.
Okay. Well, obviously you do.
What's your
man.
name?
You want to see it.
No, I'm just trying to find a middle ground. Look at the Kraken. You see it? We're in the streets. Hey, go Kraken, baby.
Anything else or what?
Boys on TV.
We're on Fox News or I don't know his channel. Have you seen it? Me neither. Manimal V?
Emperors, bro.
Oh, keep it low key.
Hey, gotta keep it down. DL.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what it is.
Yeah. I haven't seen the video.
Really?
Have you seen the video?
I've not seen the video yet.
I don't know. Apparently I'm in it. F you and your news.
dude.
Yo, f you, man.
You.
F you, man.
Okay.
Gonna ride back with Eric.
Eat a f***ing dick.
Hey, let's go, Braps.
I'm fired up on that.
Fire me up.
I was pissed at him once. I'm not trying to be pissed at him twice.
Bro,
He remembers it.
let's go, Mark, bro.
I'm not trying to be pissed at you. You remember.
memorable.
Yeah, you're right. I was hammered
You walk
then.
up to me, accusing me of shit, telling me I'm doing stuff that I'm not. How, like, what's your, how
No,
am I not supposed to be?
It's just like the TikTok, like, it's just the TikTok, like, what's your craziest story?
Dude, you gotta calm down.
Did I say that? No, I didn't say that.
Bro, I think we just go, Mark, bro. Feel me?
You just want to look dumb twice on camera.
I gotta ask.
It already happened,
Yo,
bro.
what's going on here?
Hey, I was just walking around with the camera. This guy approached me.
Really?
That's it, yeah. And this is the second time he's done it. He did it like a couple months ago, all butthurt and offended.
He's not
No,
no,
it's
right
just-
now. He's chill as fuck.
No, okay, no. Listen, the issue I have is like the TikTok dudes that are like what's your crazy story? And the
I was
girls
just
go,
checking
like,
out stuff,
I was in a
you know, and this
threesome
guy's
once.
offended by it.
I was in a
Hey, nice to
threesome
meet you,
once, and then it's like all clickbaity, where it's like, she did what?
Stop it. Get some help.
I thought you
That's
said
just
Matthew.
annoying.
Here, have a sticker. Some butthurt cream.
I don't know. I don't know, dude. Like, I get it. You're trying to like
put
be
that somewhere
famous
good
and
for
shit
sure.
for like trying to find people on the street.
Like,
Like, I
getting
don't really
drunk-
give a shit about that. I mean, dude, go chase your bag. But just for me, I just find it annoying. Like, it's like because when I see it on my phone, I just look at it and I'm like, who's the motherfucker asking these people these questions? And then I see you, and you're the fucking guy asking these people these questions.
I didn't ask anybody questions. I
so why don't
don't
you
solicit
podcast it?
questions like
Let's go.
just on, you know,
I don't know, dude. I know
willy-nilly.
that's you.
I know.
Whatever. You can think whatever you want, man.
All right, boss.
I know
Hey.
whatever I want to do.
Let's meet you. See you around.
You too, yeah.
Have a good night.
Have a good
bro.
night.
Have a
Yeah.
good night. Have a good night.
Yep.
Love the setup. Take it easy.
I mean, dude, it works.
Yeah,
It
Brett.
works. It works because here you make your own highlights because you find people on the streets they're drunk, right? And then you make your own highlights, right? Because they do it for you. I get it. It's a f***ing formula. It's easy.
Okay.
You know?
What? This guy is.
He wishes. I hope one day I could
Alright,
be
man.
famous.
Yeah.
I don't know. You gonna post this too?
Yeah, this is going
Alright,
up.
sweet.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you're live right now, but also
Oh, really?
I'm gonna make a
What are you
video
live
about
on?
this. I'm not gonna tell you that. You can do some homework though if you want to Google it.
I'm gonna try.
You've said you've seen my videos that like piss you off, even though I'm not on.
No,
TikTok.
I said people like you.
People like me, so you're
Because there's a lot of
profiling me.
people like you.
They're profiling me, telling me I'm doing
All
shit
right,
that I'm not doing.
it's not about, dude.
I don't do that. I don't walk up like, oh,
profiling
hey,
you.
well, you know, hey, answer this question. I don't do that, dude.
Oh, really?
People approach me.
Okay, well, I didn't know.
Okay, but now you know. Are you gonna be so butthurt and offended or what?
No, I was trying to talk to you from the start.
Dude, you're insulting me, saying oh keto and fucking fat and shit. Like fucking, you're trying to get a rise out of me and shit like that. You're obviously offended by this. Just the sight of a guy with a camera.
I'm not offended by this.
Okay, so what's this whole?
I
Why?
was trying to get a rise out of you.
Your logic is. Are you drunk right now or no?
No,
You seem kind of like semi-sober.
I'm semi-sober.
Okay.
I'm not drunk, but I'm like somewhere in between.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what now?
I don't know. What is one now?
Do you want to like stay here on my camera or what, dude? Because I was
just
gonna go
talk.
that way.
Yeah, you want to go that way? I
I mean, hey, if you you know, do you have
don't
any
know.
other
You
questions?
actually seem like a chill dude.
I am. You came up to me all offended that one night. Maybe you were super drunk. I don't know.
dude. It's just this
I
bright light. It's
I
like
was
it's too,
dog-
like,
it wasn't even
it's
on.
abrasive.
The light wasn't even on when you approached me the first time. You just saw me recording.
Swear.
You saw me recording a police interaction.
All right, dude,
For
can I
the
be-
news.
can I be fair?
Do you want to
Can I be fair?
apologize?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'll apply for the first time. Not for this time. For the first time, I was pretty drunk.
All
the
right,
first
cool. I accept your apology
All
for
right.
the first time. For this time, whatever. You can insult. I don't really care. Say whatever you want.
time. You can insult me too. Like
I'm not about that.
I do stand up, so it's like
I'm
I don't-
not about that.
I make fun of every single person I meet. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm not about that. I'm not here to belittle you.
I appreciate that.
You're putting yourself on camera. That's
See,
that's all
look.
it's-
This is what it's about, right? Two people that are automatically like. I look at this guy immediately with his bright light in my face. Immediately, this guy seems like an
That you walked
antagonist
up
in my
to.
mind.
That you walked up
This
to.
guy's okay. Chill. Look, there was gonna be a good ending to this. And you interrupted me. All right, this guy immediately seems like an antagonist in my mind, right? And then eventually we start talking, right? And then we find a middle ground where it's like, you know what? This guy doesn't mean any harm. This is a good dude. You know what? Who would I be to be an asshole to this guy? He's just trying to film shit.
Exactly.
And so you know what? Who would I be to not want to be a part of that? Absolutely.
Okay.
So here we are.
Yeah.
Love that.
All right, man.
This might be the limelight.
Okay.
Is this? Do I do like an Oscar audition?
Do whatever you want, man. You're in the light.
What does Daniel Day-Lewis say? In There Will Be Blood. What does he say?
I don't know, man.
You know that movie?
No.
It was, or maybe it's not There Will Be Blood. It was like, I killed my child! I killed my boy!
Stop it.
I don't know, it was cool though.
Okay.
Watch that movie, Daniel Day-Lewis.
Yeah, I'll have to check it
Method
out.
actor.
I'll have to check that out.
I don't know, he's kind of like, he doesn't really do anything that's like cool. He's kind of a pussy about like acting, but I don't know. You wanna play Fortnite?
Nah, man.
No?
Nope.
You don't play Fortnite?
I have.
Are you good?
Nah, I'm not gonna.
Oh. Yeah, I guess not. He's going the wrong way. Bike Night went this way. I don't know, you ever done cocaine? No? Me neither. I heard it's a hell of a drug.
So, are you just gonna like stay here all night or what?
If you have me.
Is that what you want to do? You just want to?
Yeah, sure, I'll just talk into this.
Stay here and
Yeah, I
film
mean,
and be on camera.
sure.
All right, do your thing, man. I'll just stand here.
Listen.
Don't touch my shit.
Oh, sorry. Listen, one of my favorite chess openings is probably the English opening because what does it do? It automatically throws off the opponent immediately when you move your knight, right? Automatically, the first thing you think is you're gonna move your pawn.
What's up,
Now with the
Audrey,
English
RD, Lar, El Ramirez, what's up? So this guy's obviously, he just like tried to apologize. It was like a bullshit apology, but whatever. He's trying to like be the bigger man, but he just obviously can't get over that hump. And now his plan is
Why
to
are you
just stand in
instigating?
front of the camera. I'm narrating what's going on exactly right
No,
now.
I was just talking. There's a
You
camera in
can
front of me.
continue on about your bit. You walked up to it, dude. How do you not get that yet? You walked up to me, man, while I
I
was
just
heading my way.
apologized.
But you're still here.
Because you keep shining the light in my face. I thought that we were gonna move on.
Hey, if there's no
I
light,
thought you had better shit
if there's
over
no
there to
light,
do.
it's a dark video.
Okay, that's fine.
See?
I will still. Yeah, go ahead. I will still apologize. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Go ahead, move on.
All right. No, I'm good.
No, you move on. For me.
I'll stay right here if I want.
Okay. I don't give a shit.
Okay. Cool.
You're still videoing me.
Yep.
Why? Don't you? I mean,
You
dude,
can go
dude,
anywhere.
listen,
If you don't
listen,
like it,
listen,
you can go anywhere
listen,
you want.
Listen, you want content. Am I content? No. Not at all.
I mean, you kind of are. You're putting yourself in front of my camera, man.
I was just trying to apologize. To be
Okay.
honest.
I accept your apology. Thanks.
Cool. Let's part way. Can we? All right. Can we mutually agree to shake hands and you'll go left and I'll turn around?
Why do I have to go somewhere? Why can't you just go somewhere? You know, I'm not gonna follow you. Why do I have to leave? Why can't you just
What are you
walk
gonna?
away?
What's behind me? I don't know. I thought that we had some sort of mutual respect at this point.
Nah, not really. I just don't understand. Is it pride or is it your ego that forces you to like stand here? Because you can continue on about your.
No.
Your
I
night.
was just trying to apologize, but like
Okay,
the
I
video's
accept
still
your
on me,
apology.
so I was like,
I accept your apology.
well, I just wonder why. Because I thought that we were chill now. So it's like now we both move on with our day, but you're not moving on.
Why can't you move on? Why?
I could
do
have easily
have to?
moved on when the camera moved.
You still can. You can still go wherever you need to go, man. Like it's like you're magnetized to
No.
me or something, man. Like
Oh yeah, is that really it?
I don't know.
No, I'm
You're
saying
stuck
that.
here.
No, I'm saying
Like,
that if it was truly an apology and you really believed it, that we would have moved on with our ways.
because I don't believe it, man. I don't
Why don't
believe
you
it.
believe me?
You're still. You just don't seem apologetic.
I just said
To be
that
honest,
I was sorry.
People.
I
Can
said
say
that I was.
that.
I said that I was
People
really
say that
drunk.
all they want.
You know what? I said that I was really drunk when I first met you, and then I said, you know what? I don't really, dude. You can do whatever entertainment shit you,
You know
want.
what
I
the
don't really
best
give a shit.
apology right now would be is to just continue on about your night. That would be the best
All right,
apology. Just
you
keep
wanna do
going.
that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Awesome.
Well,
You're
what's
nuts.
All right,
Because I don't like handshakes
that's fair.
for germs and shit. All right.
Yeah. All right.
All right, man. Have a good
Well,
night.
I'll do that as
have
a
a good night.
sincere apology. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Have a good night, man.
Appreciate
Dang, linger. Trying to talk sense to some people is just, oh man, it's frustrating. So he thought he was gonna like come and scare me or something. That's the impression I got. Because he ran up to me and he's like, hey, you got something to say to me? You got something to say to me? And I was like, what? What do you got to say? So, yeah.
George, thanks for taking my photo.
Oh, yeah, no problem, dude. Have a good night.
Check out my
Ride on Mustangs.
badass.